Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1975 Ford Bronco with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the again the 302 Ford roller lifter cam in there, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, correct water pump for this 1975 Ford Bronco. Lower hose on the passenger side. We have the brand new balancer on there. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines and gas filter going up to the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Proper oil pan for the 75 Bronco, rear sump. Oil stick and tube. Oil pressure extensions installed. Brass freeze plugs. Engine block painted the Ford blue. It's real nice. Ford Bronco valve covers with the oval ridge style air cleaner with a washable element, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place, real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers on there, all set, aluminum intake manifold, black Holley Sniper fuel injection, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory, fully tested, dialed in. We'll set up all the menu screen settings on the Holley Sniper fuel injection. That'll be all taken care of. Pretty much plug and play, ready to go. Timing will be set. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C4 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford here. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups there. So this way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Again, complete, turnkey, ready to go, fully tested. So there you have it, 350 horsepower 302 Ford with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.